Hey, good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and today is Friday, March 29th, 2013. Welcome to the Daily Scan. Markets are closed today around the world, so there's no crazy data or anything like that coming in. It's Good Friday, and that is why they are closed. So I'm not going to be doing too much today, with the exception of just going over a couple of things. And one of the things I want to focus on is this double calendar that I have on IWM that I did a roll on this week. And I think that's probably about it. That's all I'm going to talk about today. So let's get right down to it. Let's see here. I want to come over here. Okay. So when you want to, I occasionally do this, analyze, or periodically I should say do this, is analyze the data and slice it and dice it. And the way that you can do this is go over to your account statement and pick out, if you want detail on your trades for a particular instrument, you can just, you have to go to a specific account, and then you pick, say, like in this case I picked IWM, so, oops, I went past it. I'll pick IWM, and then tell it I want to do, like, say, for the last 30 days, and then press enter. And I didn't do it in that account, so now I go over to this account and boom, the stuff appears. So the thing that you want to do if you want to bring it into a spreadsheet is you just come over here and select export, choose export, and then change this over to CSV, and then you can save it on your hard drive, and it's everything that's on this tab here. I mean, all your orders, order history, and everything. And do an export, and then just go and open it up in either Excel or, as I do, I use OpenOffice, and this is called Calc. Same thing as Excel, practically, but with one very huge difference: it's free. So I think you can just go to openoffice.org if you don't have Microsoft Office, and get the free package, which includes word processor, presentation, the whole everything is there. You can do text, spreadsheet, presentations, drawings, and databases. So it's all there, just like the big time Microsoft Office, except it is free and it works just fine. I've been using it for years, and they even update it periodically. Okay, so what we're looking at here is I deleted all the roles except for the trade history for IWM. You can see that they're all here. Here's when I opened the calendar on March 5th, and these are the roles that I did on the 27th. So if you take a look at just the roles themselves, they're all right here, and you can see that I bought back the Marches for a total of 5 cents, and that didn't cost me anything in transaction costs, by the way. And then I sold these for 45 cents and 12 cents. So what I did was I put the net down here. So this effectively is, I'm just adding all these together here at 52 cents, and I'm adding all these together for $3.76. So my total, actually, because I did two of them, the total outlay for this calendar is $752, as shown here. Alright, so now I paid that down totally by $104 here. So now, so far, this trade has cost me $648. Now, theoretically, This is like a 2-week roll here. So I have approximately 6 weeks left before this June 4 expiration. Approximately. So if I roll every 2 weeks and I get $50 every 2 weeks, then that would pay this calendar down. Well, every 2 weeks that would be 3 rolls, so that would be like $150. So I could pay this down to around $500. But the thing is, I still have it. So if the market reverses or does a correction, as everybody expects, although you could have fooled me yesterday because it's more like the Energizer bunny than anything else. But if the market should correct, I still have the calendar. So I will continue to roll. I would have liked to have gotten a little bit more for this 87 put, but it is what it is. And at least I was able to buy it down a little bit. So I know that Don Kaufman and Thinkorswim on his daily discussions, they talk about rolling calendars and how really if you have a calendar you should never take the maximum loss on it. You should always, there's always something to salvage from it. And this just proves it here by looking at these rolls. So instead of 376 when I opened the calendar, it's now at 324, and it cost me $7.52 to open it, and my max loss at this point would be $6.48. But I'm still not at that max loss. And we can take a look at this over here. So we're at 362 right now. And that's based on my current cost, which would be $6.48. So we're about down 50% on it. And like I said, should never take the max loss. So let's go to the Analyze tab and take a look at this. Still looking for this to do some sort of a correction like I mentioned, but we have a June expiration. And there's still a possibility that it may move down here. Now, if volatility decreases, I'll be losing even more money, but still the max that I could lose, even though it says here 886, but because I don't have those former trades, and thanks Bob for bringing that up, the max I can lose is 648. So in that respect, the risk profile is incorrect because it doesn't include the roll. And I could leave the roll positions on here, but eventually they're not going to be valid anymore as expiration dates pass, and Thinkorswim is not going to like that. Alright, so that's where we are right now. And this is a snapshot of all the accounts. And do we have anything in trouble here? This insurance policies, that's okay. Netflix is kind of in trouble, and what did Netflix do yesterday? It dropped down a little bit, so that's a good thing, because this particular trade, this is a bear call. So we want Netflix to pull back, so actually it gained a little bit yesterday. And the Profit 10 portfolio is currently up to $143. So it just passed the 200 mark. And our delta is at 1.6. That's a very good delta to be at. Pretty happy with that. Alright, I'll just keep it short because maybe nobody's even going to watch this or look for it today, because it's a market is closed kind of day. So I'm not going to do any scan. I'll save that for Monday morning. So everybody have a great weekend. Happy Easter. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.